Now, if you're having some pairing issues with your Sony Pulse Elite here, well, there are a few things that you could actually do here. Now, in order for you to repair them, you need to do a few things here. Now, first things first is you want to get your dongle here, and you want to go and just plug this into your PS5. Now, once it's actually plugged into your PS5, you want to go ahead and basically press your dongle. Now, the thing with this dongle here, the actual dongle is the button, so you want to go and just press this section here towards your PS5. Now, typically, you need to hold this for about like 30 seconds. Now, I would recommend you to hold the whole thing, or you press and hold it for the whole duration 30 seconds, so count carefully or even have a timer besides you. But yeah, so once 30 seconds is up, you want to go ahead and go to your headset here, and you want to go and just turn it on. Now, in here, you want to go and look for the pairing button, and with the pairing button, you want to go and just press and hold it for about 8 seconds. Now, once you fully hold or held into your pairing button here for 8 seconds, notice that the light on your headset will start flashing here. Usually it's going to be blue, but once you do see it start flashing here, you want to go ahead and basically press your dongle here towards your PS5, and basically just one press is good enough, and you'll notice that the light on your headset will be stable. So it's going to be one stable blue light, and the dongle is going to be one stable white light. Now, it means you've just successfully paired these two devices, the dongle and the headset. Now, if this doesn't work for you, repeat the process again until it actually solves, or until it actually fixes it. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.